Hey, how's it going, Salvador? My name is Devin Norton. I spoke to you on the phone a little bit earlier. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to quickly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start bringing in more customers right away. I know you're probably wondering why I'd even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all of their time taking care of their customers, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I just give them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up calling me back saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do all this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do, this information is okay with me. My goal is just to educate and help out as many business owners as possible. I'm going to talk to you today quickly about content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to say I really like the look of your website. I haven't ever seen a logo like this before, and it's really, really cool. If you designed it yourself, that's even cooler. I really love this photo going across here. You've got trust built by having a picture of yourself right at the get-go. It's a really great looking website for sure. What Google mostly cares about is this stuff right here, this content. They want to make sure that you have a lot of content on here so you can answer their customers' questions, and they want to see about 2,000 words of it. So if I go and I check how much content you have on your site, I scroll all the way down. Now, this stuff right here doesn't count because that's duplicate content since it already is on your Google My Business. But right there, that's 325 words. And if I go and grab these, that's another added in. So you have a total of about 814 words. So you're not doing bad. You're going to want to definitely get that up to about 2,000 words of content. You're also going to want to make sure you have keywords in there. So a good keyword would be like air conditioning Mesquite TX or AC Repair Mesquite TX. If I type in AC Repair Mesquite, you have Mesquite TX AC Repair. That's a good one. I see a bunch of keywords here. The thing is, Google picks up on this stuff and they look at it as spammy. You want to make it kind of fit into your content. Okay, so like we provide Mesquite TX AC Repair or something like that. Anyways, that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other air conditioning companies linking to you than if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to pay for it. There are free tools out there if you want to find out this stuff. I just pay for it because it puts all the data together. But it says you guys got your first links back in March of 2019, and you have 52 websites linking to you right now. Integrity Air Conditioning currently has 89 websites linking to them. And they've been around for quite a long time, about a few years more. So what I'd recommend you do is go and beat them. Like, I wouldn't just get 89 to match them. I'd go get like 100 or 150. The best way to do that is to copy them, because if the links work to rank them, they'll work to rank you too. So you just go down this list of all these websites, and just like they did, you request to get a link. You either create a profile and put the link inside your profile, you can click the contact us button, or maybe they paid for some of them. But if you copy them, you'll outrank them. And just by following those 2 tips, that's how you take the top spot organically. You can also pay for ads to get right here. If you want to be at the top, you have to bid the highest. And then if you want to get in the map pack section, that's my third tip. It's called citations. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. What I'd recommend you do is figure out what directories Integrity Air Conditioning is in, list yourself in those same ones, and add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150, I'd be adding myself in 250. And that's all I've got for you, Salvador. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I try to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have 2,000 words of content on this page, and you want to use the right keywords inside of it. You're going to also want to make sure you have more. I would just copy these guys. Whatever backlinks they have, I would go take them for yourself, and then keep these ones so you'd have a total of about 130, and you blow them out of the water. And then you want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Integrity Air. And Salvador, if you follow these 3 tips, that's how you become #1 across all of Google. So what I'd recommend you do now is take this information and implement it as soon as possible, because the quicker you rank yourself up, the quicker you make a lot of money and grow your business. If you want any help getting this stuff done, or if you don't want to do it, but you want it done for you, give me a call. My phone number is right down here, and we can see if we can help you out. If I'm not able to help you out, I can at least point you in the right direction. But I do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to listen to me and watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.